If you are someone that needs more help with colors in Affinity, then Affinity has provided an advanced color option where we can access variations and varieties of colors that is automatically generated inside Affinity. So to access the advanced color option, first of all, let's navigate to the colors panel and click on the options icon of the colors and then navigate down to the advanced option. Now you can see that Affinity has provided many colors or variation of color sets right here. And for your information, these particular color sets are scientifically proven and suggested color sets. That means if you use a particular set, then it will work seamlessly with each other. And there are many kind of sets like tints, shades, complementary, square, analogous, split complementary, and more. Let's change the color of the shape that we have right here to any hue. And as you can notice that when we change the color of the shape in the color wheel, then the colors of each individual shades or each individual sets of colors down here also changes accordingly. So if I change the color or the hue right here, then you can see that the colors automatically changes below the advanced option as well. So this is really a handy option in Affinity and allows us to pick colors that really complements or work with each other very well. So the first set that we have is tint set. As you can see that in the tint set, the first color is the actual hue color and is 100% color. And in the middle we have 50% less color, and on all the way to the right we have 0% color. For the shades, it also begins with the hue that we have selected, which is 100% hue, and blacks are gradually added, with 100% blacks being added all the way to the end right here. In the complementary part, we can see that the color that complements the green color is pink color. Likewise, we also have other sets like analogous, which is really helpful to create very attractive or very popping kind of gradients. So I hope till now you have understood how the advanced color options might be helpful in Affinity. If you find this video helpful, then please press the like button, and for more information like this related to tips and tricks about Affinity in the future, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next video.